So people, me know for a fact, say, if you go to a Jamaica and talk about you go inject them with some vaccine for COVID-19.
What is? What is this? What is?
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win. That's why I'ma try again.
Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So people, you know from early March we've been dealing with coronavirus. Coronavirus has taken the world by storm and we seem to can't find an end to it, and we seem to cannot find not even a vaccine for it. And lately, the place that the coronavirus originated from, Wuhan, China, they were having a big pool party recently because them say coronavirus gone from over there. So. But that's a whole nother story, people. We're going to talk about Prime Minister Andrew Holness right now. So Prime Minister Andrew Holness says Jamaica Labour Party government will provide free COVID-19 vaccines for Jamaicans.
That's serious?
You hear that, people? Free vaccine. Remember, there's nothing in this world that is free. There's a catch to everything, people. So he said, Holness, who is also the JLP leader, made the announcement in a post on his Twitter account this morning. He said the government would move into action once there is a safe, tested vaccine. Quote unquote, unlike others, we know what to do to manage the coronavirus, he said. But yet, up to Tuesday, Jamaica's COVID-19 tally stood at 1,146 cases, with 770 recoveries and 14 deaths. So people, me know for a fact, say, if you go to a Jamaica and talk about you go inject them with some vaccine for COVID-19.
What is? What is this? What is?
Me know for a fact, people, them not do it. I don't know. All of us are long time corona keeping, a months now corona keep. And election time will come up now, so vaccine, them a talk about vaccine. And also, people, you mean to tell me, say, something that I know for a fact they're spending $100 millions into trying to find a vaccine. They're spending millions of dollars, people, to try find something for this COVID-19. And after spending all those millions of dollars, you gonna get it for free? Something no seem right. Something in a something, people. Let me know in the comment section when you think something in a something. I think them not have to pay for COVID testing in Jamaica, and that not even free, right? Let me know. I'm not sure if them are pay for COVID testing in Jamaica. But if them can't do that for free, them will give away something for cure it. They gonna give away that for free. Something in a something, people. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know if a foolishness me a chat. Leave it in the comment section. Let me know anything, people. A foolishness me a chat. Eh? All I'm saying, people, he didn't say there's a vaccine. Him have a vaccine, you know. Him say when it's available, when it's readily available, he is going to make it free to the Jamaican people. So, Mr. Andrew Holness, I'm here to tell you, for the whole of Jamaica and for the Jamaicans, them don't want the vaccine. I can tell you that for sure. People, leave in the comment section if you would take that vaccine if it's available. I know I wouldn't take it. Leave it in the comment section, people. Because the vaccine, yeah, I heard Russia came up with one. This one not come from, this one not made in China. That one made in Russia, people. But if one is available, them say it's gonna be free to the Jamaican people. May the good Lord be with you. Big up in yourself and keep in a vaccine. Jamaican people don't want that. People, can you imagine the side effects of taking that I know people are going to say like we've been taking different forms of vaccines and pills and this. We never see corona before. Corona brand new. Them a click them finger and I hurry up and try to create something. When we know say it not go long lasting, it not go work people. You can't just develop something in 3 months and expect that to be the cure. Them can't cure AIDS. I know this is not like AIDS, but John know there's other viruses out there where them can't find cure for, and corona kill off people like crazy. And you know, gonna take 3 months and come up with a vaccine and move and go. That is my opinion, people. Everybody is free to leave their opinions in the comment section. You see me, I say, people, let me know what you think about this vaccine.
Hell no. To the no, no, no.
Alright, I'm out.